If I could ask you one word to describe Chinese manufacturing, what would you say?
Superb.
Scale.
Evolving.
Technological.
First time we start to import products, but I think quite good. The quality is good and the price is still good.
I export cars, many clients. They want to buy Chinese cars because the price and the quality is very good.
I think the rest of the world is behind China.
Can I ask why you chose to develop this in China as opposed to developing it in the US?
Well, I mean, the short answer is that all of the resources are here in terms of technical capability and also cost effectiveness. Our entire supply chain management is here. We have offices in Shenzhen.
Previously, we sort of had the impression that Chinese products were a bit cheaply made.
Yeah.
I think that they have really invested in technology, and the manufacturing has definitely come a long way.
I'm back in Guangzhou at the 139th Canton Fair, and this place is just on another level. We're talking over 30,000 companies all under one roof, tens of thousands of booths, and an exhibition space of around 1.5 million square meters. It's basically the size of 200 football pitches. And it's not just big, it's global. In recent years, this event has pulled in over 300,000 overseas buyers from more than 220 countries worldwide. I've been to a lot of Canton fairs, but this feels like the biggest one yet. The scale, the energy, and the sheer number of people doing business is absolutely insane. So the question is, why is the entire world still coming here? Let's go and find out. Okay, so can I ask where you're from?
I'm from Brazil.
Okay, there's a lot of Brazilians here this year.
Yeah. Brazil and China has a good relationship.
I know, yes. And is it your first time at Canton Fair?
No, I've been here many times. I live in China for more than 5 years.
Oh, okay.
I come to China since from 2010.
And is your business e-bikes?
Also, yeah, I'm more into the bicycle business.
Okay.
Yeah, but I try to expand it for the e-bikes and also for the mopeds. Yeah.
And how do you think Chinese manufacturing has changed over the last sort of 5 to 10 years?
Wow, it's changed a lot, right? Because China used to be the production of the world, and nowadays they are coming up with their own products, and they are kind of like dictating the industry somehow, based in how we used to see in the past for what they are right now. They really increase a lot in terms of quality.
You think the quality from China is now very good, yeah?
Definitely. For right now, for my industry, for example, I used to be into the mountain bike, but right now, what dictates my industry is the eMTB. And the strongest eMTB right now calls M-Flow with the DJI engine.
Oh, yeah.
So they are made in China. Everyone wants to have this bike.
Yeah. So may I ask where you're from?
I'm from Yemen.
Yemen. And is it your first time to Canton Fair?
No, it's not first time.
You've been many times?
Yeah, a lot of times.
And what products are you here looking for?
I'm looking for the bike.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you think? Do you think Chinese manufacturing has improved over the last 5 to 10 years?
Of course, and she's improving. Every year is improving that more than last year.
Yeah. And would you recommend other people to come here and see for themselves?
Of course, directly. I recommend all the people to come here to China, to visit China and found the product that what they want here in China.
So first of all, may I ask where you're from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Yes. And is it your first time to the Canton Fair?
No.
You've been many times?
Many times.
And what products are you looking for here?
Actually, since 2005, I am in this business, and we are selling motorcycles, assembling plant. We have motorcycle assembling plant
in Pakistan.
In Pakistan.
Okay.
First, we started engine motorcycles, conventional bikes.
Okay.
But since after COVID, especially, we started EV bikes.
Oh, okay.
Also, EV scooters and EV bikes. Yeah.
And if I could ask you, how do you think Chinese manufacturing has changed over the last 5 to 10 years?
They improved, so much improvement in their quality.
And if I could ask you one word to describe Chinese manufacturing, what would you say?
Superb.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
So, can I ask where you're from?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Is it your first time to Canton Fair?
No.
No, you've been many times, right?
Just once.
Okay. And what products are you here looking for?
Kind of just everything.
Okay, just having a see what's happening.
Yeah.
And if I said to you, how do you think Chinese manufacturing has changed over the last 5 to 10 years? What would you say?
I mean, it's hard to say because I haven't been in manufacturing for 5 to 10 years,
Okay.
but from what I can see, the level and quality is really high. So, yeah, it's interesting.
And one word to describe Made in China.
One word, scale.
Okay. May I ask where you're from, sir?
South Africa.
Okay, and is it your first time to Canton
No,
Fair?
it's my second time. I've been
Okay.
here 2 years ago.
Okay, and what products are you looking for here?
Electric scooters, electric bikes. So we're changing our, we've been there before, so we're changing the venues.
Okay.
We can get something else.
Okay, and if I could say to you, how do you think Chinese manufacturing has changed over the last 5 to 10 years?
Well, I think they've improved a hell of a lot.
They have, right?
I think so, yeah,
Me
absolutely,
too,
yeah. Okay.
And if I could ask you one word to sum up Chinese manufacturing, what would you say?
One word. Excellent, good, evolving.
Okay, can I ask you where you're from?
Sure, I'm from the US. I live in Colorado.
And can I ask why you chose to develop this in China as opposed to developing it in the US?
Well, I mean, the short answer is that all of the resources are here in terms of technical capability and also cost effectiveness. Our entire supply chain management is here. We have offices in Shenzhen, but we have designed this vehicle in-house. All of the systems belong to us. Bingo is the only one that can make this vehicle, but we outsource the manufacturing.
And in general, what do you think of Chinese manufacturing and how it's evolved in the last 5 to 10 years?
I mean, I think it's just extremely efficient. There's also, it's not just the sort of cost effectiveness, it's just the skill set, the ready availability of engineers and every level of the sort of supply chain as well as manufacturing processes, tooling, all of that capability is so much more available here, and the timeline to turn things around is still very much faster than anywhere else in the world.
Sure. And if I could ask you to sum up in one word Chinese manufacturing, what would you say? Or made in China, what would you say?
I'd say efficient. And cost benefit, right? Because there's a gamut between fast and cheap, and then not so fast and much better. So it's fine tuned.
Yeah.
You can kind of take whichever road you want.
Sure. Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
I'm Danny.
Danny from Armenia. Is it your first time at Canton Fair?
No, actually I have visited many times here. I live here in China. We do professional export and so many things to 4 countries.
Do you think Chinese manufacturing has improved over the last 5 to 10 years?
Of course they improved. When the first time I came to China, I just see a little bit improvements, and this has some very good fruits at this moment, and it's very important, very crucial. It's improving day by day, and I think nowadays no other country can compete with China.
I think the quality now is world class here, right?
Yes, of course. We were just talking about the cars. I'm exporting cars. We were just talking about it, and many clients. I export cars. Many clients are very. They want to buy Chinese cars because the price and the quality is very good.
Yeah. Well, I can tell you, I've had a Chinese EV for 2 years.
Yeah.
And it's one of the best cars I've ever had. I'm really impressed with it. In 2 years, I spent 300 RMB on servicing. That's all, 2 years.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah.
The same as the other countries. If you buy the cars to the other countries, it's very good. Very good. Comparing to the other brands, what they give and what technology Chinese cars give, they are.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Cheers, man.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Where are you from?
I'm from Georgia.
From Georgia. And is it your first time to Canton Fair?
Yeah, it's my first
So
time.
what do you think?
I can't do any more thinking because it's crazy here. Everything is future here.
Right. And do you feel that the quality of Chinese goods is good?
Yeah, it's better than in my country.
Really?
Yeah, actually, yes.
And will you come
That's
again?
why I'm here.
Will you come again?
Yeah, of course.
And one last question. What products are you interested in?
I'm interested in computer technology and AI.
Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Where are you visiting from?
I'm Christian from Nigeria.
From Nigeria. Is it your first time here?
No.
No, have you been many times?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. And what products are you interested in here?
Processing machines.
Okay. And do you think the quality of Chinese manufacturing has improved over the last 5 to 10 years?
You know, I've just been in the processing business in the last couple of years.
Okay.
But I've seen improvement even within the last 1 year.
Really?
Absolutely.
Wow. And give me one word to describe Made in China.
If you can think it, everything is here.
That's true.
Just come to China.
All right.
Whatever you think about, whatever you want to do, they can make it happen.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Cheers, buddy. So, may I ask where you're from?
I'm from Turks and Caicos, but I'm living in London at the moment.
Okay. And is it your first time to Canton Fair?
It is, yes.
What's your impression so far?
It's huge.
And if I talk about Chinese manufacturing, Chinese products, what do you think it has happened to them in the last 5 to 10 years?
I think it's greatly improved. I think that previously we sort of had the impression that Chinese products were a bit cheaply made.
Yeah.
I think that they have really invested in technology, and the manufacturing has definitely come a long way.
And one word to describe Made in China?
Futuristic.
Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. May I ask where you're from?
The Netherlands.
Okay, the Netherlands. And is it your first time to Canton Fair?
Yes.
What's your impression so far?
Very nice, very good. A lot of people, but good for business. Yes.
And what's your impression of Chinese manufacturing in the last sort of 5 to 10 years?
It's the first time we start import products, but I think quite good. The quality is good and the price is still good. Yeah.
And one word to describe Made in China?
Very special culture. Yes, very interesting.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Much.
Cheers.
Yes.
Can I ask where you're from?
I'm from Mexico, working in the US.
Okay, so you're from Mexico. And is it your first time to Canton Fair?
No.
You've been a number of times before. Okay. And if I can ask you, how you think Chinese manufacturing has progressed over the last 5 to 10 years, what would you say?
That's a very good question. I think they have become more high-tech, but keeping their affordability intact. I think they have gotten very good at creating new technologies and industrializing it. They have excellent relationships with their universities. So I'm seeing the same affordability I used to see, but now with more technology.
And if I could ask you one word to describe Made in China, what would that be?
Whatever the customer wants, 可以.
可以, yeah, 对. Okay, thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Can I ask where you're visiting from today?
So I'm looking for like machines and equipment for miners in the north of Brazil.
Okay, so you're from Brazil, right?
Yes.
Okay, and is it your first time here?
Yeah, it is, but my partner, she always comes twice a year.
Okay, and what do you think of it so far?
I mean, it was much more bigger than I expected, and I was really, really surprised. But at the same time, it was kind of a really nice experience, and I was think I should come before. Yeah, and I love it.
And what do you think about Chinese manufacturing over the last 5 to 10 years? Like,
I mean, it's my first time in China, but I know we have some sources and supply from China. Every year they're getting better, more like technological, and the price they are competitive, and the technology, I think the rest of the world is behind China.
yeah, I would agree. And one last question.
Yeah.
If I could ask you how to sum up Made in China in one word, what would you say?
Technological. I
Thank
think
you
that
very
is my
much.
word, yeah.
Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, bye.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, can I ask you where you're from?
Yeah, I'm from Colombia.
Okay, is it your first time here?
Yes, it's my first time here.
Okay, and what do you think of it?
About Canton Fair is really huge. Really interesting. Very many stands.
And what's your impression of Chinese manufacturing?
I think it's very complete, a lot of things, you know. I think that it's really difficult for other countries to compete to China by seeing all this.
And in one word, how would you describe Made in China?
Variety.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. This is why people come to China to source stuff, because they can literally do anything your mind can imagine, they can manufacture here, and they can manufacture it at a high quality and a good price. So as I mentioned earlier, I've been coming here for many years, probably for more than 20 years I guess in total, and something that just is now that I never used to see before is so many people from so many countries. Like previously it used to be Europeans and Americans, now you're seeing people from everywhere, Latin America, Central America, Africa, the Middle East, Europe, just from everywhere, and it's incredible the amount of people that are coming here to do business. And there's a good reason why they come here to do business, because they can buy a good quality product at a competitive price, and Chinese manufacturers are very accommodating and helpful, and they have the production bases in place, they have the supply chains in place, they have the supply and logistics hubs in place. Everything is here, and that's why people come to China to buy.